Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anis binti Rahman and my matric number is 070027. In this video, I would like to present my final individual project. I am excited to show you the application I have created for the robotics club. This app helps to manage club activities and keep everyone connected. Let's dive into its features and how it works. So, there is a Dart file here. We have activity report, main Dart, profile screen register user, screen home, screen login, search activity report, and view activity report screen. In all the Dart file, we have import to connect all the Dart file here. For these sections, we got the information such as API, app ID, messaging sender ID, project ID, storage bucket, and the Firebase. So move on to the next page. Next page is profile screen. We also have import here, and this is my coding, as you guys see in the display screen. And the question, they ask for the name and matrix number and also user ID. So I follow as the question given. For my interface, I use color blue. Next is a register user Dart, also have the import. And this is my coding for the register user Dart. Move on to the next Dart file is screen home. Here is the coding. Next is screen login Dart coding. Next is the search activity report screen. Move on to the next Dart file is view activity report screen. Activity name, location, and date is also given in the questions. Last but not least is activity report screen. For your information, I use tools and the coding because in the questions, they ask to use the tools. So that's why I use tools here. I think that's all for the coding sessions. And now let's move on to the output. Okay, here is my first page, which is when user enter the application, they will see this profile pictures, robotics club, and they need to insert their email and passwords once they have registered. If the user is the new user or not have any account before, they need to register first. Once they enter the registration form, they need to insert their email, password, name, and matrix number. Let me show you the example. So once they enter their personal details, they need to click on the submit button. When they have done register, the pop-up will come out like this: registration complete. You have successfully registered. So we click OK, and then we can enter the email as we have registered before. Then click login. This is my home page, which is when user already come into the home page, or once they log in their applications, they will enter to the home page, which is user will see welcome to Robotic Club. And this is the navigation menu. We have home, profile, activity report, view activity report, search activity report, and logout. So we come out with the home page first. Okay, this is my home page. The second one is profile. Before this, we already log in, so the output come and display in the screen. If they want to change their profile, they can just insert the data or change their personal details. For the example, click on the save button, and then the pop-up will come out like this: success, profile updated successfully. Click OK. And then move on to the activity report session. Here is the cool part, which member can submit activity reports or events like workshops or meetings. Okay, let me put one example here. In the sessions, we have activity title, location, and dates. Once they enter the data, they need to click on the save record. Here will be pop up. The record has been saved. If you want to see the data that we have submitted, go to the view activity report. And this view activity report, you also can see all past activities listed here. and the members can edit or delete entries if needed. If user want to edit, they just can edit here, new robotics programming, and then submit. Record saved successfully will come out. And also, if they want to delete, just click on this recycle bin. The data will delete. There is also a search to find specific activities easily. For the example, let's try. So, come up with the learning activity title. The data that we submitted before will appear here. And if user want to log out, just click on the logout. So that's all for the output. Next, move on to the Firestore database. Here is our Firestore database, which is all the information that user enter or insert the data. The data will come out here. For the examples, this is the username, which is they have registered before. User ID, matrix number, and name. For the activities, will come out here. This is the activities that we inserted before. I think that's all from me. Thank you.